Hi, this is Warren Oberhalser with eXp. Wait till you see my latest listing in Livermore, California. Let's go in and take a look.
This one-of-a-kind Livermore home is located in the desirable Old South Side area on historic College Avenue. This unique property offers numerous features and possibilities. Mediterranean-style architecture with beautiful vaulted wood beam ceilings in the living room and has a separate formal dining room area. Large galley kitchen and a separate eating nook off the front. There's a half bathroom inside the utility room. The home has an additional bonus room off the kitchen . A full downstairs bathroom, and a large downstairs bedroom. Now, this bedroom also connects through the closet area to the full bathroom. Upstairs features a full bathroom, and 3 good-sized bedrooms. The bedroom on the left has access to the wraparound deck porch, offering great views. Middle upstairs bedroom has a built-in unique bunk bed, dresser, and storage unit. You'll find a large driveway leading to a detached garage, and connected to the house is another garage and workshop area. Additional structures include a workshop storage shed and an RV-covered overhang parking area. Now, the massive backyard lot offers numerous possibilities to include a pool and grotto, a sports court, or a separate living area, ADU.
To find out more about this unique property, please feel free to reach out to me personally. Thanks so much for taking my property tour.